Hey, so if you've seen the Google anti-gravity trick where everything on the screen falls like it's weightless, yeah, this is actually a fun web experiment, not an official feature inside Google. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to do the Google anti-gravity trick in 2026. First thing, open any browser like Chrome or Firefox. This trick works through a web demo. Next, search for Google Gravity or Google Gravity Mr. Doob. So this brings up the interactive version. All right, open the demo site. I mean, the most popular one is an interactive experiment that simulates gravity. Now, wait a few seconds. Once it loads, everything on the page starts falling down. Next, interact with it. So you can drag, throw, and move elements around like physics objects. All right, try other fun versions like Google Sphere or Google Mirror for similar effects. And yeah, just refresh the page to reset everything. That brings everything back to normal Google view. So that's how you do the Google anti-gravity trick. It's just a fun browser experiment using physics-style animation.